The what? What the hell are you talking about?
What if it's based off my personal code? Like, what if I do something I personally consider sinful? Do deluded maniacs who consider murder not to be sinful get off scot-free?
A bird? Ugh! I know the feeling. The next bird over keeps pecking me every time I try to work with it. Looks pretty ugly too. I don't think I want to get close to it.
If I wind up killing someone in self-defense in a comically unavoidable series of mishaps, would that make me a sinner too?
Oh, come on, shark face. You're overreacting. What's the worst that could happen, as Timmy Turner once said?
What if it's a sin that they haven't personally witnessed? Does that count? Can they verify it? Are their special abnormality senses able to pick up on it? I've heard some circles that, no joke, deem using the bathroom to be sinful. Imagine how big the sin will be after eating the extra grande 5 meat burrito with extra scorcher sauce.
I see what this is. An abnormality thing. Interesting. Or schizophrenia. I'll write it all down in the report later. You know what else it thinks is sinful?
My mom!